Hello, everybody. I'm Kairon, hashtag Nathania. Today, I'm here to play through some Minecraft survival. And don't judge me, it's my first time, okay? So, let's go. So, first thing I need to do is get some wood, build a crafting table, get me some items, maybe find a village, my objectives. So, let's go. So, it would be really nice. It's my first time actually. It would be really nice if you would hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and also ring that bell, please. The notification bell. So let's go. So we first need some wood. Why do I have birch? That's weird. Not. I can use all the wood I can get. So bring it up. That's weird. It's the first time my game made that glitch. Sorry. I don't know why I just did that when I need the crafting space again. So we're just gonna make so. I'm a bit slow because I'm a noob and yeah. So let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna do that and do that, and we're gonna take some of that. We're gonna make some of that, and we're gonna make some axes. And we're gonna take some sticks. And we just make that. And we're gonna make, and we have an axe. And we're gonna put like that. And we need a shovel and a sword. Okay, I think that's all. Let's get a sword. I don't like the wooden holes or holes, so that I'll only get when I actually need it. So yeah. Now all I need is a shovel, and have everything I need. So let's just like this. You gotta actually grab for flint and steel in case I wanna go to the nether. I know that's quick and easy, but I'm doing it. And I wanted to tell you about a few mods I installed. Don't worry, it's nothing big. I'm not cheating. I just put a few mods in. Wings, furniture, security, a couple of things, yeah. But don't worry, it's not cheating. What is that? I didn't expect to find a chest so easily. I didn't even think you get them here. I thought you only get them with a treasure map, on the beach, shipwrecks. This is sudden. Don't worry. Emeralds. Ooh, you know, I just need a few gravel, so I'm just gonna put that in there. Wood. I need the wood I can get. Dark oak wood. I'm fine with that. Trees. I might take that. What is this? This looks interesting. Just gonna put my crafting table there, okay. So let's see what this does. Like you know what? I might need this chest, so I'm just gonna break it. Just hope the gravel doesn't catch me. So let's see what this is all about. So let's drink it. What did I just do? What did I just do? What? I have wings. This is amazing. I didn't even think I'd find them in a chest. So this is new, and I forgot to show you my skin. This is my skin, everybody. So let's get started. How do you use them? Maybe if I just no, that didn't work. How about wait? They said something about in the mod about you go into a hill. So let's just go. I wanna do this as quick as I can because I don't wanna waste your time and I don't wanna waste my time. So I'm just gonna do this as fast as possibly as I can. So they said something about going up a hill or something. Wait. That was easy. I didn't even think that would work. Ooh, a snow biome! It's so crazy! So my computer's a bit laggy, but it's amazing. Wow, I can see the whole view from here. It's amazing to be free. It's amazing to be me. Time for the singing. So my objective is looking for village. That's amazing. The way I land evens. My computer's just a bit laggy now. So I need food. Flying makes hungry. Oh, I see a few sheep up there. You can see that sheep floating. Oh no, it's just a hill. So sorry. My computer's laggy and I would really like to upgrade it. If you would please subscribe. I need an upgrade. So let's just switch into my other mode. I look beautiful. Okay, so Mr. Cows, I'm so sorry. I wouldn't want to hurt you, but I need to, please. Shh, please don't run, please. It will just make it harder for me to kill you, and I would not enjoy that. I'm sorry. It's really not me to kill animals. I'm not a vegetarian, but I have a restricted rule against killing poor animals. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. I would not want them to die. Ooh, the sun's going down. Mobs will spawn. And I have it on easy or normal. I don't know which one. It's a sudden. Okay. It's my first time. Don't judge. Mobs! Fly to the sky. No. That was close. And a creeper was right behind me. If I did not move there, I was going to die. I guarantee it. So I would just like to stop it. I didn't even see them coming. Ooh, this place is filled with mob spiders. Enderman! Enderman, I did not look you nice. Please do not harm me. Please. I'm a poor, innocent human being. Hello, all of you. I cannot just fly so easily over them. If I had to walk, I would have been dead by now. So, what I think we're looking for is something different. How about we go high and then drop like I'm a goddess? You know what? Let's make the mobs think I am a goddess. I am a goddess. You shall bow down to me. I wish I had a diamond sword now. I would destroy them like nothing ever happened. Bow down to me, you mere mortals. I am queen of this realm. Bow down. I don't know if I'm in that mode. Bow down to me, mere mortals. I don't know why I have such a terrible laugh. Let's try that again. I am enjoying myself. I would really like to kill this mob, so no! Run! Yeah, I almost got there. Would the sun just freaking rise? If I fall into that lava pit, I swear I would murderize this whole planet. Actually, I wouldn't be able to murderize because I wouldn't have my wings. So, I think I should eat. Shh. I'm busy recording, God. Okay, so that was just my baby sister. Sorry for that. I'm just gonna stop for you to have a lunch. So So I'm just gonna have a lunch. Shh. Okay, so now it's time to take flight. Whee! Okay, so now I really need to find a village. I'm tired and I haven't got one sheep so that I could sleep. Shh. So it's a bit hard, but I think I can do it. Okay. So so I see a spider over there. I think it would really be good if I had a spider eye. If you think so, please leave a comment. Okay, so let's go. Shh. So, I see a spider. I see a spider. Oh, I thought that was a spider. Another bottle. Die! My computer's too lagging to kill this beast. Die, beast. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, no, no, no.